1965 Mercury Comet Caliente, listed in Colton, Oregon, for $17,000. This classic runs and drives great with a 303 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed Mercomatic automatic transmission. Mostly stock, it features aftermarket headers and dual exhaust for better performance and sound. Well maintained with new tires, front shocks, and recently replaced brakes. The body is in great shape with a high-end ceramic coating, and it has always been stored indoors. Comes with a factory service manual and a car cover for added protection. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1964) Buick Wildcat, listed in Woodburn, Oregon, for $14,995. This classic Buick is powered by a 410 nailhead V8 engine and features an automatic transmission with console shift. It's in excellent condition with only 48,460 miles, which is considered low for its age. The car has been well maintained with no major issues or damage. However, the interior needs some attention and there is a small rust spot on the front bonnet. A clean, low-mileage car ready for a new owner to enjoy. (1973) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Honey Grove, Texas, for $12,500 or best offer. This Mustang is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor for solid performance. It shows 32,000 miles on the odometer, though the mileage is not verified. The car has no rust, as it was originally purchased in southern New Mexico, ensuring it has been well preserved. The air conditioning is present, but needs to be converted to R134 refrigerant. It's currently used as a daily driver and turns heads wherever it goes. (1978) Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed in Spokane, Washington, for $12,500. This is a true Z28 with a black exterior and interior. It has new tires, a mild camshaft, a 373 Posey rear end, headers with a full exhaust, new shocks, leaf springs, and front brake calipers. The engine was rebuilt 10,000 miles ago and runs strong. The interior is in excellent shape, with only a small dent on the passenger door. The car runs slightly rich, but drives and stops fine. The seller is open to offers. (1978) GMC Caballero, listed in Romance, Arkansas, for $11,000. This truck is powered by a newly installed 305 cubic inch V8 engine with new seals, gaskets, and an HV oil pump for better performance. The front and rear seals on the transmission were also replaced. The car runs and drives great with no leaks. The heater core has been replaced, but the air conditioning isn't working, though a newer style compressor is included for installation. The gauge cluster isn't functioning, but manual gauges are available. The seller is open to trade offers valued around the same price. (1966) Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible, listed in Decatur, Alabama, for $9,500. This classic convertible features a freshly rebuilt 140 horsepower engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and dual exhaust with turbo mufflers for a sporty sound. The car has been repainted in Madeira maroon with a ceramic coating for protection and includes a silver rear cove. It has a factory wood steering wheel, original vinyl interior, new carpet, and a solid floor. Upgraded Corvette adjustable rear struts and rebuilt brakes ensure excellent handling. The tires are in very good condition, making it ready to drive. 1965 Chrysler New Yorker, listed in Everett, Washington, for $7,000. This classic car is powered by a 413 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, though it has a few issues. The gold interior is in good shape with some age-related wear, and the gold exterior shows similar signs. Upgrades include Wilwood disc brakes, new stereo, and speakers. The car has an oil and exhaust leak, but the gaskets for the oil leak are included. It has a clean title, 2 sets of keys, and has recently had an oil change. Open to trade offers, but prefers cash. (1968) Chevrolet El Camino, listed in Grants Pass, Oregon, for $6,500. This classic has a brand new 454 big block V8 and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It runs great and is very fast. It's a fun project that still needs some work, especially on the interior. The car is drivable and has a clean title in hand, ready to sell. The seller is open to trades for another vehicle. (1974) Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Classic, listed in Waldport, Oregon, for $5,900. This classic has a powerful 454 big block V8 with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It runs and drives great, and is all original with low mileage for its age. Recent upgrades include a new brake master cylinder, rear wheel cylinders, front brake calipers, and battery. It features a moonroof, swivel bucket seats, power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, and tilt steering. The body is solid with very little rust. The gas gauge is inconsistent, and the windshield wipers don't work, but the clock still does, a rare find in an old car. (1969) Ford Galaxie 500, listed in Waldport, Oregon, for $2,900. This classic has a strong 390 V8 engine with a durable C6 automatic transmission. It still has its original paint and a straight body with only some rust near the gas cap. The car runs but has issues. It smokes, misfires on one cylinder, and needs engine work. The brake master cylinder needs replacing, and the fuel tank needs cleaning. New parts include spark plugs, wires, fuel pump, radiator hose, battery, and 2 front tires. It has a clean title, but a trailer is needed since it's not safe to drive as is.